Most people think they need thousands of dollars or a Wall Street connection to get great investment advice. But what if I told you that with one prompt, just 200 words, you could turn AI into your own personal financial advisor? Today, I'm going to show you how to get personalized, powerful, bias-free investing help from ChatGPT for free. We all dream of a solid retirement, but here's the reality. The median retirement savings for Americans at age 65 is only $200,000. That's not enough for the kind of retirement most of us imagined. And great financial advice, it's expensive. Hourly advisors charge $200 to $400 per hour. Asset-based advisors often won't take you unless you already have wealth. Commission-based advisors, many are well-meaning, but incentives can get in the way. But you shouldn't have to be wealthy to get good financial advice, and now you don't. AI has changed the game. If you know what to ask, ChatGPT or Claude can give you guidance that rivals a 400-hour financial planner. But here's the catch. Most people treat AI like a search engine. They type, "How should I invest?" and the AI spits out, "Try index funds." Boring, generic, useless. The real magic happens when you give the AI everything it needs. Your age, your income, your debts, your risk tolerance, your goals. Let me show you the 200-word prompt that unlocks AI's full power. We're 50 years old and live in Tucson. I'm a self-employed painter. My wife's a nurse. We have $30,000 in emergency savings, $25,000 in a 401k, and $8,200 in monthly income. Our goal is to retire at 67. We're moderate risk investors with no experience. With that info, the AI doesn't guess. It asks smart questions. Are you maxing out your wife's 401k match? Have you considered a SEP IRA? What happens if one of you can't work? Suddenly, you're getting a tailored investment roadmap. But let's be clear, AI isn't magic. It can't place trades. It can't offer legal advice. And it won't hold your hand when the market drops 20%. But for foundational bias-free investment planning, AI might be the best deal going. If you've ever wondered if you're doing enough for retirement, if you've been stuck because financial advisors seem out of reach, try the prompt, customize it, use it with ChatGPT or Claude, then ask follow-up questions like, what if we could invest $1,500 instead of $1,000? How would early retirement at 62 change the plan? What happens if one of us gets sick? You're not late. You're just one prompt away from a smarter financial future. Don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with a friend, a parent, or someone who's stuck financially. You could be the reason they retire in peace, not in panic. And if you try the prompt, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how AI worked for you.